Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 2 on Android. First, you'll need to own a legal copy of the game for your personal computer, available from stores like GOG or Steam. Next, you will download a specialized launcher application for your Android device. Your phone or tablet should have at least 2 GB of RAM and run Android version 5.0 or later for the best experience. A modern processor will also greatly enhance gameplay. Once you have Fallout 2 installed on your personal computer, locate its main game files. You will need to copy essential files, including master.dat, critter.dat, patch000.dat, and the entire data folder to your Android device. A simple USB cable connection works well for this transfer. Create a new folder, perhaps named Fallout 2, on your device's internal storage. Finally, install your chosen launcher app, like Fo2, exe from the Google Play Store. Fallout 2 was designed for a mouse and keyboard, so the Android launchers adapt these controls for touchscreens. You can move the mouse cursor with one finger and tap once for a left-click action. A two-finger tap usually acts as a right-click, which can switch your cursor's interaction mode. For a smoother experience, customize the on-screen controls and consider lowering the resolution for better text readability. An external gamepad can also significantly improve gameplay. To ensure the best experience, always optimize your control settings within the launcher app. Using an external gamepad is highly recommended for more precise actions, especially during combat. Adjusting the display resolution can also make the game more visually appealing and responsive on smaller screens. Keep in mind that efficient resource management on your device helps prevent issues like overheating or rapid battery drain. Some launchers even support popular community-made modifications, such as the high-res mod, to further enhance your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.